Hello once again YouTube, this is Meme Skull and I'm back with yet another Gem Blenders booster box opening. This is the second one for the channel, so let's crack open some packs and see what foils we'll get. I am generally hoping for a foil gem search, because I actually want like 3 copies for my main deck, which is Toxicram, or it focuses around Toxicram. So for the box topper, we got a hold on. Oh, it's not. Oh, there you go. Verve Conflictor. Put that right here. I do have some Dragon Shield sleeves to put these cards in. So yeah, let's do that as we go along. I will organize the cards off camera. But yeah, yeah, I really like the game. Hoping to make something out of Toxicram. Needs a bit of work, but it's getting there. Alright, so let's get started. So yeah, that shows the Struggle Switch, Angel, Battery, Pixel, Invert, Burnfowl, Pollen Angel, Silver Gull, Lush Keeper. Might be making something around this. I did pull the hero that works with treating heroes and blends as if they didn't have the wall and back positioning clause. So I might mess around with something like that. Another foil Anti-Slasher. And I got a foil Aqua Gem, nice. So I'm just gonna put the foils here for now and sleeve them once I'm done. I got Corruptor, Mage, Cancel, Electron, Collect, Glow Herald, Fungus Usher, Garden Sprout, Drone Buzzer, Feather Nester, Amass, Elizer, Electrogem, and Tamiko. No foils there, unfortunately. Third pack, Rocket, Rotate, Bishop, Virus, my favorite card, Blend, Silent Usher, Signal Corruptor, and one of my other favorite cards, Shock Herald, Survive, Ryan Piercer, Anti-Slasher, Minseo, Nocturna Gem, and Fact Card. Alright, so yeah, so if any of you ever played this game, what's like your favorite card to run or focus on in your own build? Another Signal Corruptor. Oh, no foils. Wait a minute, Johnny was new. Is that a... yeah, it's Manel. You got so many gem searches. Huh. Alright, Rotate, Blaze Angel, Super Cancel, Glory Bringer, Hail Dominator. Got a Dread Blader foil, Kathy foil Nocturna Gem. Love to see those. There are a few heroes that are really good. So if I happen to pull any, I will put those to the side for my own deck building purposes. So yeah, Flush, Angel, Gem Search, Sprout, Invert, Chrome Rocket, Frost Herald, Fungus Usher, Condensation Collector, Data Cipher, Amplify, Devin. This is okay. Yeah, this is the guy that removes each occurrence of while in the back position. from effect text of other heroes. It's really good. Okay, got exchange, shifter, draw, sprout, quick switch, Frost Herald, Mirror Chaser, Glitz Energizer, Witchcrafter, Roost Bomber, Pearl Deceptor, Sage. Okay, I was recommended this card. If you have less than half the HP of an opponent, your center hero gains plus to attack while attacking that opponent. Okay, that's not bad. And we got Scott. Alright, hopefully the audio is good. Yeah. Convector, Corruptor, Electron, Exchange, Mage, Baton Bishop, Mirror Chaser, Milk Herald. So you know I might put him aside because I need him for Aqua Gem based deck. Witchcrafter, Yule Puffer, Raised Domesticator, Jubilee, Nocturna Gem, and Jericho. Okay, we're done with one stack. Convector, Virus, Breach, Glacier, Bump, your Fever Virus, Mirror Chaser, Milk Herald, Glamour Grower is also good for that Aqua Gem based deck. I'm considering Glass Raider, Mantis Slasher, Reggie. He's good for like a switch based or like position based strategy. Magnet. So he can hold the bag position. Okay, so that's good for like a Electro Gem based strategy. Struggle, Stun, Mage, Struggle Surge, Struggle Switch, Skull Ram, Silver Gull, Silent Usher, Ice Creamer, Feather Nester, Pearl Deceptor, Nico, Aqua Gem, and Johnny. Shifter, Struggle Switch, Hornet, Mage, Convector, Root Herald, Milk Herald. Yeah, I think these two would go in the same deck. I believe so. I don't know. Glow Herald, Mineral Juggler, Lush Keeper, I believe. Maybe? Marcy's really good. Once during your turn, when you equip this hero with a gem from your hand, you may switch the position of this hero. That's really good. So I'll put it here for now. Nocturna Gem, and Alexa. What I really need are like a few more anchors. Yeah, Usher. Usher's really good too. Put you here. Yeah, Magnet. Quick Switch, Return, Guard, Garden Sprout. Guess over there. Erica. Yeah, Hornet. Swap, Switch, Herald, Transfer, Signal Corruptor. Great card. Silver Gull, Recycle, Condensation Collector, Data Cipher, Photon Synthesizer, Ronnie, Pyro Gem, and another Johnny. Alright. I have no idea what the meta is. So yeah, I mean I gotta get more involved in things. Hold up, whoa, wait. Blend search. Mount tier, switch, glacier, transfer, copy, really good. Put really good ones here. Balance, bloom. Hey, another Season Ascender. For another foil. Unless there once during your turn, you may switch position of this hero. That's pretty good. Pixel, quick switch, return, mount tier, rotate, pristine mage, powder, angel, fungus, usher, flag gracer, flare launcher, nectar resolver. Wait, I wanted to blend. Monica, Aqua Gem, and Alexa. Chaser, Shuttle Stun, Capacitor, Shuttle Surge, Bishop, Flurry Shifter, Particle Reflector, Polar Hornet, Herd Necromancer, Ice Screamer, Ion Banger, Selma. Oh, Cryo Gem Foil. It's good. In your first thing, you may search your deck for one blend. That's decent. Alright, you got Ghost, Struggle Switch, Battery, Bishop, Return, Frost Herald, Bluster Mage, Blaze Angel, Bloom Interrogator, Bondbreaker, Verge Conflictor, Eleanor, Capra Gem, and Tamiko. Alright. Last pack of the first half. See here. Angel, Battery, Blend Search, Bishop, Capacitor, Range, Polar Hornet, Milk Herald, Glamour Grower, or a Beer, Joy Ringer, Kula, that's a good one, Capra Gem, and a Fat Card. Alright, moving on to the first half of the second stack. We got Gull, Herald, Hornet, Rocket, Swap, Surge, Wave Ram, Range, Chain Smoker, Aurora Beamer, Raised Domesticator, Foil, Leilani, Lucio Gem, and Tony. We got Reflector, Gem Search, Ram, another Gem Search, dang, Pixel, Snowfowl, Surge, Pollen, Bass Piper, Bird Inflictor, Fleet Reacher, Foil, it's really good. Jewel, I believe this is good. Your first turn, you may put 2 cards from your hand. Yeah, basically, kind of somewhat mulligan. Mountier, Gem Search. That's another gem. Oh my god, it's like 2 Gem Searches. Mage. Oh, sorry. Snowfowl, Baton Bishop, Bluster Mage, Glisten Blinker, what's this? Glowmiser, Season Ascender, another foil. Auto. This hero gains +1 attack for each other unblended hero on your battlefield that has the same level as this hero. This hero cannot gain more than +2 in this way. Interesting. Vector, Collect, Corruptor, Blend Search, Electron, Steam Usher, Wave Ram, Wood Ghost, Royal Buzzer, Shadow Sneaker. Once returned, you may declare one hero on an opponent's front line. Treat that hero as if it has 0 defense for the remainder of the turn. That's pretty good. Oh, Miracle Conductor. We got a foil Mark. We got Ram, Gem Search, Reflector, Flush, Rocket, Buster Mage, Bolt Ram, Brass Guard, Flare Launcher. Yeah, foil Weaponize. That's pretty good. Alright, that's alright. I'll take it. Beth. Yes! Yes, look at that. We got foil Gem Search, baby. That's immediately going into my deck. Let's go. Yeah, Hornet, Struggle Sun, Chaser, Chiller, Cone, Stun, Silent Usher, Blaze Angel, Force Switch, Blend Call, Latus, Crusher, Judith, Nocturna Gem. So your turn. Search your deck for one basic gem. Add to your hand the show here. Oh, it's during your first turn. Okay. It's pretty good. Actually, you know what? I might put her over here. Yeah. Okay, we got Quick Switch, Pixel, Struggle Stun, Ram, Struggle Switch. Wait a minute. Brass Guard, Super Draw, Fungus Usher, Bass Viper. No foil. Yeah, another fat card. Right. Actually, you know what? Let me put this here because that is going into the deck right away, just so I can flex. We have draw. I haven't seen a single anchor, mind you. I need anchor. Exchange, Ghost, Blitz Energizers, what are there? Burn Foul, Charge Foul, Flag Gracer, Combustion Boiler, Miracle Conductor, Tal's pretty good. Electro Gem. I mean, people can play around him by just not playing once during your first turn effects. So, yeah. Okay, so we got Pixel, Quick Switch, Ram, Return, Reflector, Stun, Pollen Angel, Recycle, Resuscitate, Super Collect, Luster Striker, Maria's pretty good, Aqua Gem, and another fact. Alright, last half of the last deck. Try to speed things up here. Cancel, Energizer. Hey, you got Anchor, let's go. Bump, Foul, Block Attack, Copy. Copy's pretty good. Baton Bishop, Shard Buster, Mineral Juggler. Ooh, Photosynthesizer, and Renoa is really good. To get a foil, that's even better. Nocturna Gem, and we got another fact. Yeah, Hornet, Mage, Virus, my favorite. Put you here. Gem Search, Usher, Pollen Angel, Garden Sprout, Charge Foul, Flash Blaster, Grace Gale Tracer, Tremor Bounder, Beatrice. Really good. Pyro Gem, and another fact. Yeah, Breach, Ghost, Switch, Glacier, Blend Search. Alright, yeah, Blend Search, Sonic Ghost, Super Blend Search, Arrange, Mojo Charizard, Needle, Rusher, Blood Reaper, and we got Reggie as a foil. That's really great. Alright. You know what would be funny? We get another foil gem search. Capacitor, my bad. Chaser, Chiller, Cone, Rotate, Garden Sprout, Fog Shifter, really good. Flurry Shifter, really good. Nope, nada. Okay, I wanted a gem search, I got a gem search. What is this? Oh, that looks like some damage. What is that? Interesting. Huh. Factory error, it seems. Put that right there. Cone, exchange, breach, wait, what? Breach, copy's good. Powder Angel, Cannon Bomber. Oh, Silas is good. Guillermo. Corruptor, Gem Search. Oh, here it is again. What is going on here? Oh, pretty sure it's like 2 scratch marks. Huh. Interesting. At least it wasn't the foils that are damaged. Thank God. Palmer, what does this guy do? Once during your turn, you may substitute your back position hero with a hero from your bench of an equal level. Oh, that's pretty good. So you could constantly, if you're switching yourself, you could you could just swap them out. That's really good. You could just change it based on the scenario. That's amazing. Okay, you got Bump, Guard, Gull, One Search, Herald, Pylon, Capacitor, Root Herald, put that there, Chain Smoker, Combustion, oh, Torrent Crusher, put that here, Hickory's really good, Capo Gem and Aaron, 2 packs remaining, Flush, Magnet, Gem Search, Volunteer, Invert, Glow Herald, Drip, Super Blunt Search, Replicate, Season Ascender, Lauren, turn you may turn from a hero in your field to your hand. Interesting. Last pack of the box. You got Rotate, a Gull, Blunt Search, Shifter, Guard, Wood Ghost, Baton Bishop, Arrange, Break Detector, Cannon Boomer, Coordinate, Kahook, Lucio Gem, and Zora. Okay, looks like unfortunately you get no more foils. But let's see what this guy did. I never seen him. Once during your first turn, you may look at the top 5 cards of your deck, then return them to the top of your deck in any order. That's pretty neat. Just reorganize the top 5 cards in any way you see fit. Alright, well, I mean, I got that foil. It's going right away into my deck. So now I just need one more just to, you know, flex. But foil, weaponize, go through all this. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Alright. So, that rounds up the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, or if you played Gem Blenders. Comment down below what your favorite hero or blend is from Gem Blenders, if you play the game, or like if you saw one that caught your interest here. Which one caught your eye the most and seems interesting to you. With that, I will see you all in the next video.